Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create X account. Whether you're new to the platform or just setting up a fresh account, this tutorial will make it easy for you. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is download the X app on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type X and look for X, formerly Twitter, in the search results. Once you find it, tap Download or Install and wait for the app to install on your device. I have, so I open it. In my region, it not work, so I start VPN. Now at working app, the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an option to create an account. Tap on it. First, enter your name. This will be your display name on X. Next, enter your phone number or email address. Choose your date of birth. Once you've entered these details, tap Next. It takes time for loading. X will now send a verification code to your email or phone number. Check your inbox for the code, enter it into the app, and tap Next. Choose a strong and secure password for your account. Make sure your password contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered your password, tap Next. X will now ask you to upload a profile picture. You can either select an image from your gallery or skip this step and add one later. For now, I'll choose to skip it and then Done. Now, you'll need to select a username, also known as your X handle. Your username must be 15 characters or less. If your desired username is taken, try adding numbers or underscores to make it unique. Once you've chosen a username, tap Next, then Continue. X will ask if you'd like to sync your contacts to find friends who are already on the platform. If you want to connect with people you know, tap Allow. If you want to stay private, tap Don't Allow. I'll skip this step for now and move forward. X will now recommend topics and accounts based on your interests. You'll need to choose at least 3 categories. I'll select Entertainment, Gaming, and Music. Next, you'll see subcategories. Choose some topics within your interests. For example, I'll pick video games, Call of Duty, and Premier League. Tap Next, and X will suggest accounts to follow. You can follow people now or skip this step and follow them later. For example, I'll follow Babar Azam and then tap Next. Congratulations! You're now inside X, formerly Twitter. Here's what you can do next. Customize your profile bio. Follow interesting accounts. Start posting and engaging with others. You're all set to explore and use X. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.